Hello and welcome to a new video. Today I'll be making a 2D platformer. If you've seen my other videos, you know that I've made a 2D platformer before. The first thing to do is make some art like a player and a ground. Then I made a player controller script to move the player around and gave him the ability to jump. But there's a problem. If the player falls off the map or gets hit by an enemy, nothing will happen. So I made a checkpoint flag and the ability to respawn. I also added coins to collect. Then I added lives. UI showing coins and score and lives. I also added 1-ups. Next I added an enemy that moves. When you touch it, it will kill you. Then I added a way to kill the enemies. You just jump on top of them. The world is looking very empty, so let's make some decorations. I made 3 types of bushes and 2 types of flowers. I put them into the game and they look pretty nice. Then I made another enemy that can't kill you. You touch it anywhere, it will kill you. Then I made a spike and a platform. I also added sounds to the game. You collect the coins such one up, kill an enemy, die, or checkpoint. Before I start making the levels, the last thing I do is make a level transition and a main menu. Then I start making levels. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching, down in the description. Bye.